Hi, today we are going to learn how you can design and send a review request email for a product that has been purchased by one of your customers. To do this, log into AiTrillion and then go to Product Reviews and Review Email Settings. A demo or a sample of what the review email will look like is displayed on the right-hand side, and customization options are on the left. You can choose to send the review request email after a certain number of days of purchase, let's say 6. You can choose to optimize the review request mail for the basically the access. So maybe you're accessing via mobile, you're accessing via tab, you're accessing via a different browser, could be Safari, could be Chrome, anything. So it could, the best option is to use an auto optimize. You can also use a landing page option or an in-mail. Once done, choose the initials. So you can basically change any text you like other than what is in the codes. So here it says hi first name. Do not be worried. In the sample, it says hi first name basically in code, but when the email does go out, it will be the first name of the customer that has purchased the product. So you can modify this. You can say dear first name, but just do not change anything in the parentheses or the curly brackets because that's short codes that is bringing data from elsewhere. You can choose a subject line, custom subject line. You can choose a rating text, submit a review, and you can choose basically the email text. So you've recently purchased order item. Once again, I repeat, please do not change anything in the brackets. The rest of it you can change. You can add a signature. Again, do not change anything in curly brackets. Once you're satisfied, click save, and that is your review request mail that has been saved. It will go out 6 days after a product purchase. If you want to send out the review request emails or reminder emails in series, you can go to the review reminder emails settings in the product reviews category. And under that, you will see a different set of emails. It will be the same email, but a different set of reminders. So these are review reminders. The first will go out after 7 days, the second after 10, and the third after 15 if you want to send them out in a series. Again, you can edit any text you like. You can change anything you like. You have the review collection options. So you can auto optimize for the device or else choose in-mail reviews, choose landing page reviews, or else just keep it auto optimize. That's the safest bet. You can change any text you like other than the ones in the brackets. And once you're satisfied with your settings made, click on save. And once you click on save, basically your review reminder email settings have been saved. So you have the first email going out in 6 days, the reminders going out on the 7th, 10th, and 15th days. So you can actually have 4 of these emails going out. That is all there is in review reminder emails. If you need further help or support, please send us an email on support@aitrillion.com. You can use the AiTrillion schedule a call button in the extreme top right corner to schedule a call with us, or you can go to the AiTrillion dashboard and talk to your manager. So basically, you can book a one-to-one call with your manager. In addition to that, you can also go to the AiTrillion website, live chat with us, and check out our knowledge base and help videos under the resources section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.